Are you older and feeling the weight of debt, uncertainty, and thinking, I'd like to retire in a few years, and your bank account is saying, no, that's not going to be happening? In this video, we will be talking about passive income and how it could be just what you're looking for to help you in these uncertain times. Hi, my name is Amy, and I'm here to encourage you today. God hasn't brought you this far in life to leave you stuck in the spinning circle of uncertainty. There is a way to build real income, walk in purpose, and still have peace. And it's called passive income. I'm going to tell you today how you can start when you're not tech savvy and how the Freedom Formula Blueprint just might be the answer to your prayer. So what is passive income? It's money that you earn without constantly trading your time to earn that money. Instead of working 8 hours a day, you build something that keeps working even when you're asleep or on vacation. Think of it like sowing a seed and how that seed just keeps producing fruit. It's not about doing nothing. It's about doing the right thing once and letting it continue to bless you over and over. Right now, we're living in a digital age where whether you like technology or not, the opportunity is incredible. Digital ad spending is expected to hit $836 billion by 2026. E-learning and online education is booming. More people than ever are making income from their phones and their laptops. You don't need to be an expert. You just need the right tools, training, and support, and have a willingness to learn. God equips those who He calls, and I believe that if you're watching this today, He is calling you to more. Now, here's the system that I found that I'm using to change everything. It's called the Freedom Formula Blueprint. This is for people like us, not the 20-somethings who have this big following and they know what they're doing online, but it's for everyday believers who want to make a difference and live with financial peace. So here's what you get. 4 high-demand digital products that are already created for you. A done-for-you sales funnel and landing page. Copy and paste email and message script. Step-by-step digital marketing training, and a community that walks with you. There's ongoing training in the community. Also, you can go in, ask questions if maybe you don't understand something or you need to figure something out. Or you can also go celebrate your wins. And here are some passive income wins that people have shared in the community. Ashley here made $1,000 the first day of the month. Stephanie made money while she was cooking dinner. And Wendy was out riding bikes with her husband when she got notification that she had made some money. One of the best parts of this community also is that you earn 100% profit on every sale. You don't have to split commission with anyone. You get it all for yourself. It's not a program. It's a path that helps you learn digital skills, build income, and step into a season of abundance and purpose. Now listen, I know life can be heavy at times, especially when you're carrying a lot of debt, taking care of your family, or you're just unsure about your future, retirement. But your age isn't a limitation. It's actually an advantage. You have discipline, you have wisdom, and a desire to finish strong. And with God, all things are possible. Even when you think there isn't a way, He always has a way and a plan. What if this is His plan? What if He's calling you to do this today? If you've been praying for the door to open, I believe that this could be that door. The free formula blueprint that I have shows you how you can get the tools, the training, and the support to build a digital income stream. And in fact, once you get one going, you could get multiple streams going. There's no pressure. There's no hype. It's just a real system to help move forward. If this sounds like it could be something for you, maybe it's that door that God has opened for you, then just go down in the description and you click on the link. The link will take you to the free blueprint that, again, you put your email in and it will send you an email with the free formula blueprint. It will explain exactly what the product is. If this video has encouraged you and given you hope today, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ways to build digital income, find freedom from debt, and watch me go through my own financial free journey. Thank you for watching, and remember, your future is still full of promise. God's not finished with you yet.